Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this Toyota Corolla. So if your Corolla look like this, it doesn't matter, it's going to be the same procedure to change your spindle. And for the older Corolla, it's totally different. So this won't be a video for the older Corolla. This is for the newer Corolla that look like this. And once again, the compressor come on, won't let me be great. So we're going to take off the hubcap. And then it's going to be 21mm or your lug tool. Now what we're gonna do, you don't have to do this part, but I'm gonna take off this because this way it will help me to turn the steering left and right with ease. So I'm gonna remove this. So we're gonna get down under here with a cutter pliers. So once you take this off, that's good. And guys, also now would be a good time to start spraying it down with WD-40 because we're gonna need to take off our. We're gonna need to take that off. So guys, for the outer tire, it's gonna be 17mm. Take that off right there. So we are changing the hub. I don't remember if I said that in the beginning of the video, but we are replacing the hub. So we're gonna knock this part right here. Get this out. So we knock it, we get it out. Get that down. So now we can, and this looked like it was a used spindle already. I don't know the deal. What's going on with this car? Looked like it was in an accident, but you know me, I always get the worst cars to work on, but whatever. Let's do the job. We're gonna remove this ABS sensor. It's gonna be 10mm. Pull that out. You can leave this back in here. So now this, we can move the steering wheel left and right to make it more easier to work on. So now we're going to turn it out so we can get on the underside, on the back side of the, to remove the brake caliper. So it's gonna be 17mm. This one right here, and this one right here. So we remove one 17mm. The second one. And as you can see, the rotor coming off, so that's good. We don't have to beat it. guys, take this off your rotor, and also get something to hook this up, or you can leave it up here. Then again, you cannot leave it up here, so get something to hook it up, because this gonna move. Once you take off this gonna move, so get something to hook it up so you don't have any pressure on your brake hose. So basically guys, you gotta get a center punch or a chisel, get something to knock in here like this. So what you're doing is taking this outside of the grooves right there, and then you want to get a 30mm socket to get it in here, and it's also have to be a 12 point, because that's the axle nut. Just like that, and then we gotta just so what this do is you want to make sure it move back and forth like that, so you can push it out, and you can get access to this right here, and that right there, and another one over there. So guys, it's gonna be 17mm. Have that right here. So now we're going to turn it the other way and get the other one. And then we're going to get the top one. So we got to get the top one with an extension. So guys, take out this one. So now we have all three. Yours might be more rusted than this, so probably gotta beat the screw back the screw in a little bit, and then you can knock the screw to get it to come out if you're stuck inside. Once you can take that out, then you have the bearings come out. I don't know if you can hear that. So guys, if you hear this, that's bad. So one of these bearings are like $256 because it's a new car, so they don't really have any aftermarket for it, but I have one sitting around. I tell the customer that, they say it's okay, so I'm giving them the bearings for free and just for the labor. So catch all three. So basically these grooves are spline, have to line up with the spline on the CV axle. I don't know if we can see through there, but once you line it up, it will go right in, just like how this can move like this. So we're going to tighten up the rest of the part. So guys, we need to tighten this up, and this is 159 foot-pound of torque. So that's the torque spec, that's how tight you must tighten it. So guys, once you tighten that up, you can come back here, get your speed sensor, and put your speed sensor in. So guys, I need this with a hammer to knock this down there here. Get that like that. Make sure this is tight. And then we're gonna get our rotor and put on our rotors. Once our rotor on, now it's time to get the brake caliper and install our brake caliper. So guys, we tighten this up, make sure our pads are in good. That's right there, that right there. So the next step we gotta do is catch this back right here. So guys, double check your work. Make sure you have your cutter pin in and your screw tight. Rotor on. This 17mm right here. They also tight. Make sure all of these are tight. If you don't have any loose screws, make sure your ABS sensor is in. And now it's good. We're gonna go ahead and change the, we're gonna go ahead and put on the tire, and then that's it, the job is done. So guys, we want to get in the car and also pump our brakes. I want to make sure the brakes is pumped up. So that's good. Now it's time to test drive the car. And guys, you're gonna need alignment after this job. So that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.